Going to changing air filter of Pulsar 150 bike. First we need to remove this one. Remove this screw. Remove the cover from its lock and pull back. Next I am going to pull back my air filter. You can see my air filter is totally damaged. Take this plastic material from my air filter. I am checking this net for seeing any dust stick on it. If you need, clean this one. After that, fix back it. This is my new air filter. Next I am inserting the plastic material between air filter layer. Carefully do it, otherwise it may damages in your air filter. After that, fixing the air filter into vehicle. Next, fix back its cap and cover. This cover have pressing type and inserting type lock. So first inserting cover into lock. After that press the cover into pressing type lock. At last fix its screw. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you can understand well.